Welcome to this guided meditation for Meridian Blockage, shoulder pain and nerve damages. This is Nalofa from School for Life, your spiritual companion in this divine journey. Imagine your body as a beautiful garden. When the garden is healthy, it blooms with vibrant flowers, red, blue, pink, white. But when it becomes overgrown or clogged with weeds, the flowers struggle to grow. Today, we will tend to the garden of your body, clearing away all the blockages and allowing the healing energy to flow freely. Begin by focusing on your breath. Inhale deeply as if you are drawing in sunlight to nourish your garden. Now exhale slowly, releasing all the tension, like gently blowing away the fallen leaves. Now bring your attention to your shoulders. Imagine these areas as flower beds. Notice any weeds or rocks that might be hindering their growth. Once again, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Now picture the meridians as pathways through your garden. These pathways should be clear and open, allowing the healing energy to flow freely. Imagine any blockages as weeds or rocks that are obstructing the flow. Now visualize yourself carefully removing these obstacles, creating a smooth and inviting path. While removing the rocks and the weeds, I want you to repeat these affirmations silently to yourself. My body is a beautiful garden, blooming with health and vitality. I am gently tending to my garden, clearing away all the obstacles, making my garden blooming with vital flowers, red, pink, white. The healing energy flows freely through my pathways. I am calm, relaxed, and at peace. Now, I want you to imagine the flower buds in your shoulders beginning to bloom with vibrant colors. Feel the pain and the discomfort fading away as the healing energy nourishes your garden. Picture your body as a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. Imagine and feel deeply the vibrant colors: pink, white, pink, white, pink, white on your shoulders. Now take few deep breaths. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. One last time. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. With ease breathing, allow the healing energy to enter your entire garden. When you are ready, very gently and slowly open your eyes and return to your day. Remember to practice this meditation regularly, 2 times a day, to maintain a healthy and vibrant garden within.